hallelujah.
They gon' let me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's it going, everybody? Sound from Complex Ambition. Today we're gonna give you another unboxing and reviewing and reacting to another popular shoe right now, the blue tint Yeezy 350 V2s. You know what I'm saying? Kanye West out here doing it again, like he always does. I believe this is as far as recent iterations of the 350 Boost. This is the third one and the last one, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna check it out. Box from FedEx came in today. This right here is a Yeezy 350 Boost. Here's a box, size 9.5. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I was lucky and got at least like 5 pairs. I swear it was like 5 pairs. The 350. You know what I'm saying? The blue tint. A good looking shoe, especially if you want to speak in comparison. It's been weird how they have this like backwards, the 350 supply. You know what I'm saying? But I think in the mirror, you look in the mirror and you can see it. So I guess that's the whole vibe with it, like a whole mirror effect. Pretty kind of cool if you think about it like that way, in that aspect. But other than that, you know. And I've been noticing recently on the newer Yeezys, they've been putting these tags on them now. They used to not have these tags, and these tags, I kind of like them. The power phases I have them. You know, it's a good thing with these tags, I guess. People always ask, how do these fit? I say they fit pretty true to size, especially if you get like a half size. Like if you're a 10 or a 9, you get a 9.5, then you should be straight always. Because hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Comment down below if you guys like them or not. Oh, look at this. Always some motherfucking factory stains, factory shit. For these shoes, $220 retail, but these shoes really cost about $50 in the fucking factory when made. Resale right now at $400, $450. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. You guys already know. Comment down below. You fuck with the shoe, you're not fucking with it. Like I said, I like them, especially compared to the Beluga 2.0s. And the Frozens, they're alright, but I feel like you can't wear the Frozens every day. But these right here, like, these are pretty fucking fire. This is Sound again, Sound Sneakers, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time. I don't think I should look at. That's that weird shit.
Pump it up. Just bump it up.